Madam Speaker, I
urge honourable members to remain relevant to the subject matter.
Madam Speaker, I didn't know until today that the majority leader is such a small man in this country. Kumbe had a very bad perception about him. I thought he's a big man. Kumbe is just a small errand man in Parliament here for the executive, Madam Speaker. I didn't know that. Oh, I'm sorry. Now I know you're a small man. But I know he attends night meetings, that sometimes he calls me in the wee hours of the night that I want to deal with you tomorrow in a certain manner. So now I know. But anyway, Madam Speaker, the most important message I want to give to Kenyans is that we have to have a country, if we were to have a harmonious country, Madam Speaker, because it is true what the majority leader has raised here, that there was skewed employment in this parliament for the last 10 years. That I am not disagreeing with him. But what I am disagreeing with him is that we should address this matter holistically as a country, Madam Speaker. This committee that we are passing today must be taken very serious, must be seen as the premier committee of the House, and I want to urge the majority leader that he should have been the chairman of this committee instead of the selection committee. Because he's very good. You know, he also runs butcheries in Kikuyu, Madam Speaker. Me and him know each other. Thank you, Madam Speaker, and have a good day.